Welcome to Quiz Time. I'm Sean, your quiz master, and I've got 100 questions for you about British and American automobiles, cars. So let's have a little bit of fun. Let's stretch our brains and see what we know and remember. Let's start with question number 1. Which sleek American car introduced in 1964 is credited with starting the pony car craze? Chevrolet Camaro, Ford Mustang, or Plymouth Barracuda? And that would be the Ford Mustang, the pony. British luxury cars from 1968 are known for blending performance, comfort, and elegance. What's it called? Aston Martin DB6, Jaguar XJ, or Rolls-Royce Silver Shadow? That would be the Jaguar XJ. Which British carmaker produced the first sports car in the 1930s, popular for its unique blower supercharger? Aston Martin, Bentley, or MG? And that would be Bentley. In the 1950s, which American car gained fame for its rebellious image, featuring tail fins and a V8 engine? The Cadillac Eldorado, the Chevrolet Bel Air, or the Ford Thunderbird? And that would be the Ford Thunderbird. Which iconic British model, the People's Car, was produced from the 1940s to the 2000s? Austin A40, Volkswagen Beetle, or the Morris Minor? And that would be the Volkswagen Beetle. In the 1960s, an American car with hidden headlights starred in a movie with Steve McQueen. Can you name it? The Dodge Charger, the Chevrolet Impala, or the Pontiac GTO? That would be the Dodge Charger. Which classic British roadster, produced between 1962 and 1980, was loved for its simplicity and open-air driving experience? The Austin Healey Spirit, the Triumph Spitfire, or the MG Midget? It was the Austin Healey Spirit. Which late 1960s American muscle car, known for its split grille and V8 power, are you referring to? Chevrolet Camaro, Pontiac Firebird, or Dodge Challenger? That would be the Pontiac Firebird. A sleek British car from the 1930s became a status symbol for royalty. What car was it? The Bentley 8-liter, the Rolls-Royce Phantom 3, or the Jaguar SS100? And that's the Rolls-Royce Phantom 3. What American luxury convertible, with a futuristic fiberglass body, gained fame in 1953 for its innovation? The Chevrolet Corvette, the Buick Skylark, or the Ford Sunliner? And that would be the Chevrolet Corvette. In the 1930s, this British marquis released a robust yet stylish vehicle model, quickly gaining a reputation. Which model was it? The Bentley Speed 6, the Rolls-Royce Wraith, or the Aston Martin Ulster? It was the Bentley Speed 6. Which post-war British car, recognized for its durability, was popular among farmers and explorers in the 1950s? The Austin Gypsy, the Land Rover Series 1, or the Morris Marina? Was the Land Rover Series 1. What two-door British car, known for its aerodynamic design, was popular among car enthusiasts worldwide after its launch in 1961? The Jaguar E-Type, the Aston Martin DB4, or the Triumph TR6? And it's the Jaguar E-Type. In 1970s TV detective shows, what British sports car with wedge-shaped design and black and gold paint was common? The Lotus Esprit, the TVR Griffith, or the Ford Capri? The Lotus Esprit. Which British small car, produced from 1959 to 2000, was known for its space efficiency, boxy design, and rally racing dominance? The Mini Cooper, the Austin Allegro, or the Vauxhall Viva? It was the Mini Cooper. In 1957, an American car with bold styling and strong engines set the stage for muscle cars. What was it? The Plymouth Fury, the Dodge Coronet, or the Chevrolet Bel Air? It was the Plymouth Fury. Which 60s British sports car with a fiberglass body gained fame for starring in the Avengers TV series? Was it the Lotus Elan, the TVR Grantura, or the MG MGB? In the Avengers series, it was the Lotus Elan. Which 1940s American car sported integrated fenders, pioneering the pontoon look in automotive design? The Oldsmobile Rocket 88, the Cadillac Series 62, or the Studebaker Champion? It was the Studebaker Champion. Which British carmaker's model from 1967 to 1972 featured a distinctive fastback design and gained popularity in American motorsports? The Triumph GT6, the Aston Martin V8, or the Jensen Interceptor? That's the Triumph GT6. In 1972, which British sports car with quirky sliding doors and a fiberglass body became a rare automotive oddity? The Marcos Mantis, the Bond Bug, or the Reliant Scimitar? The Bond Bug. Which late 1960s American car had a shaker hood and was iconic in the muscle car era? The Pontiac GTO, the Plymouth Barracuda, or the Ford Mustang Mach 1? That would be the Plymouth Barracuda. Which British manufacturer launched an open-top, lightweight, and affordable sports car in the 1950s? MGA, Sunbeam Alpine, or the Triumph TR3? And that would be the MGA. Introduced in 1955, the first American car with optional air conditioning, power windows, and power steering was what? The Lincoln Continental, the Buick Century, or the Chrysler 300? That was the Lincoln Continental. Which 1970s American sports car, known for gull-wing doors, gained fame for appearing in a 1980s sci-fi film? The Pontiac Fiero, the DeLorean DMC-12, or the Chevrolet Corvair? That's the DeLorean DMC-12. Which 1960s British roadster, known for its rally success, had a lightweight aluminum body? The Lotus 7, the MG Midget, or the Austin Healey? 3,000? 3,000. The Lotus 7. Which 1950s British sports car achieved cult status for its appearance in early James Bond films? The Aston Martin DB5, the Jaguar XK120, or the Sunbeam Tiger? That would be the Aston Martin DB5. Which American car company in the 1930s made a model favored by Prohibition-era gangsters for its bulletproof construction? Was that the Packard? Was it the Studebaker? Was it the Ford? The Packard had a bulletproof construction. What iconic British car, known for its V8 engine and speed in the 1960s, was one of the fastest of its time? The Jensen Interceptor, the Aston Martin V8, or the Jaguar XJ12? The Jensen Interceptor was one of the fastest of its time. What was the first American car with a step-down design for added safety, introduced in 1949? The Hudson Commodore, the Packard 8, or the Oldsmobile Rocket 88? And that's the Hudson Commodore. In 1970, which American car brand made the famous Superbird with a distinct rear wing and nose cone for NASCAR? Dodge, Plymouth, or Chevrolet? And that would be Plymouth. What 1950s American car with a Dagmar bumper, named after an actress, symbolized post-war luxury and excess? The Lincoln Continental, the Cadillac Eldorado, or the Chrysler Imperial? And that's the Cadillac Eldorado. 1950s British luxury saloon known for its grille and leather upholstery, loved by royalty. What car is this? Bristol 405, the Daimler Regency, or the Humber Pullman? That's the Humber Pullman. Which British car, introduced in 1932, was one of the first to use a front-wheel drive system, an innovation at the time? The Elvis 1250, the BSA Scout, or the Citroën Traction Avant? That was a Citroën Traction Avant. What American vehicle from the 1940s became iconic for its military role and later evolved into a civilian 4x4 SUV? The Willys Jeep, the Ford GPW, or the Chevrolet Blazer? And that would be the Willys Jeep. Which 1960s British car aimed to rival American muscle cars in motorsports, achieving notable success? The Ford Capri, the TVR Griffith, and the Sunbeam Tiger? The Sunbeam Tiger. In 1949, which American car brand was popular for its unique bathtub design, favored by post-war families? The Nash, the Buick, or the Chrysler? And the Nash was favored by post-war families. Launched in 1949, which American car was known for its innovative styling and became a symbol of post-war prosperity? The Oldsmobile Rocket 88, the Chrysler New Yorker, or the Lincoln Cosmopolitan? The Oldsmobile Rocket 88 became a symbol of post-war prosperity. Which American car brand, launched in 1949, was famous for its unique front grille and sports cars? Buick, Chrysler, or Oldsmobile? Buick had that unique front grille. Which American car, launched in the late 1940s, became known for its streamlined design and performance? The Hudson Hornet, the Chrysler New Yorker, or the Packard 120? And that would be the Hudson Hornet. What was the original name of the vehicle we now know as the Chevrolet Camaro, which debuted in 1966? The Panther, the Firebird, or the Mustang? It was the Panther. What nickname was associated with the British sports car, the Aston Martin DB5, in the James Bond franchise? The Golden Gun, the Bondmobile, or the ultimate spy car? It was the Bondmobile. Which American car, named the Barrett-Jackson Special, featured a 427 cubic inch engine and became renowned at car auctions? The Shelby Cobra, the Chevrolet Corvette, or the Dodge Viper? It was the Shelby Cobra. What car became the first production model to feature a rear engine layout when it was launched by Volkswagen in 1938? The Volkswagen Beetle, the Porsche 911, or the Renault 4? That was the Volkswagen Beetle. Which 1958 American car, known as the last of the big cars, had a huge V8 engine? Cadillac Eldorado, Lincoln Continental, or the Chrysler Imperial? It was the Chrysler Imperial. Which 1950s American car, known for its unique dream car styling, was designed by the famous industrial designer Virgil Exner? The Chrysler 300C, the DeSoto Adventurer, or the Hudson Hornet? It was the DeSoto Adventurer. Which sporty model, launched by Toyota in 1967, became famous for its successful motorsports history? The Toyota 2000 GT, the Toyota Celica, or the Toyota Corolla? The Toyota 2000 GT. What vehicle, produced by Mitsubishi from 1962 to 1986, is known for its robust build and off-road capabilities? The Mitsubishi Pajero, the Mitsubishi Galant, or the Mitsubishi 3000 GT? It's the Mitsubishi Pajero. What was the first production car to exceed 200 miles per hour, achieving this milestone in the late 1980s? The Bugatti EB110, the McLaren F1, or the Ferrari F40? That would be the McLaren F1. What iconic American SUV, known for its versatility and family-friendly features, was introduced by Jeep in the 1990s? The Jeep Grand Cherokee, the Jeep Liberty, or the Jeep Compass? It was the Jeep Grand Cherokee. Which British family car, noted for its spacious interior and reliable performance, was produced by Rover in the 1990s? The Rover 75, the Rover 800, or the Rover 200? Rover 75. What American coupe, celebrated for its muscular design and V8 engines, was produced by Oldsmobile in the 1970s? The Oldsmobile Cutlass, the Oldsmobile 442, or the Oldsmobile Starfire? That would be the Oldsmobile 442. What American car was famously advertised as the car that America loves and became a symbol of freedom and adventure? The Pontiac Firebird, the Jeep Wrangler, or the Chrysler New Yorker? That's the Jeep Wrangler. Which British SUV, from Land Rover, offers luxury and off-road abilities for the premium market? The Range Rover Velar, the Land Rover Discovery, or the Range Rover Sport? That's the Range Rover Velar. What British crossover SUV, launched in 2020, is known for its modern design and tech-savvy features? Produced by Mini. The Mini Countryman, the Mini Electric, and the Mini Clubman? The Mini Countryman. Which American full-size pickup truck, introduced by Ram, has gained a reputation for its luxury and performance? The Ram 1500, the Ford F-150, or the Chevrolet Silverado? The Ram 1500. Which American electric vehicle, launched by Tesla, has gained attention for its performance and innovative technology? The Tesla Model S, the Tesla Model X, or the Tesla Model 3? The Tesla Model S has the reputation for performance and innovative technology. Which full-size American SUV, renowned for its spacious interior and family-friendly features, is manufactured by GMC? The GMC Yukon, the GMC Terrain, or the GMC Acadia? That's the GMC Yukon. That's all family-friendly. Which American crossover SUV, known for its stylish looks and advanced safety features, is produced by Subaru? The Subaru Outback, the Subaru Forester, or the Subaru Crosstrek? The Subaru Crosstrek has those stylish looks. Which British electric vehicle, known for its innovative design and performance, is produced by the startup brand Polestar? Polestar 2, Polestar 1, or Polestar 3? That's Polestar 2. Which British compact car, known for its retro design and agile handling, is manufactured by Fiat under the Abarth brand? The Fiat 500, the Fiat Panda, or the Fiat Punto? It's the Fiat 500. Which British hatchback, known for its practicality and efficiency, is produced by Vauxhall? The Vauxhall Astra, the Vauxhall Corsa, or the Vauxhall Insignia? The Vauxhall Astra. What British sports car brand is known for its iconic model, the 911, often regarded as the epitome of performance? Jaguar, Porsche, or Aston Martin? And Porsche is regarded as the epitome of performance. What American electric vehicle, known for its stylish design and efficiency, is produced by the startup brand Rivian? The Rivian Rit, the Rivian Ris, or the Rivian Rix? That's the Rivian Rit, or the RIT. Which American electric vehicle, known for its innovative technology and design, is produced by Lucid Motors? The Lucid Air, the Lucid Gravity, or the Lucid Dream? That's the Lucid Air. What British compact car, celebrated for its performance and driving experience, is manufactured by BMW? The BMW 1 Series, the BMW Mini, or the BMW 3 Series? That's the BMW Mini. Which British manufacturer produced a classic sports car known as the Caterham 7? The Caterham, the Lotus, or Aston Martin? And that was Caterham, of course. Which American car is known for its unique rear hinge doors and was popular in the 1970s? The AMC Pacer, the Chrysler Cordoba, or the Ford Mustang II? Those unique rear hinge doors belonged on an AMC Pacer. What American luxury sports car brand introduced the R8, known for its mid-engine layout and performance? Audi, Tesla, or Ford? The R8 is produced by Audi. Which British compact SUV, known for its modern design and practicality, is produced by Nissan? The Nissan Juke, the Ford Puma, or the Vauxhall Mach-E? Well, easy one, right? Nissan Juke. What American pickup truck, known for its rugged design and off-road capabilities, is produced by GMC? The GMC Sierra, the Ford F-150, or the Chevrolet Silverado? The GMC Sierra. What is the name of the electric truck produced by American manufacturer Lordstown Motors, aimed at the commercial market? The Endurance, the Alpha, the Terrain? And that would be the Endurance. Which electric vehicle company released the Fisker Ocean, an environmentally friendly SUV made from sustainable materials? Fisker Inc., Tesla, or Rivian? And that was made by Fisker Inc. The Jaguar I-Pace made a mark in the electric car field. When did it win the World Car of the Year award? 2018, 2019, or 2020? That award was won in 2019. What unique features distinguishes the Tesla Model X, making it instantly recognizable among electric SUVs? The all-glass roof, the solar panel roof, or the Falcon wing doors? The Falcon wing doors make it recognizable instantly. What revolutionary feature of the McLaren F1's design set it apart as one of the greatest supercars of the 1990s? The mid-engine layout, the 3-seat cockpit, or the carbon fiber body? It was the 3-seat cockpit. When was the Land Rover Defender redesigned with a modern platform while preserving its rugged heritage? 2016, 2020, or 2021? The Land Rover Defender was redesigned in 2016. The Jaguar E-Type is often celebrated for its stunning design. Which decade was it first launched? The 1950s, the 1960s, or the 1970s? It was first launched in the 1960s. What distinguishes the Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio from other luxury sports sedans in its class? The turbocharged V6 engine, the all-wheel drive, or the hybrid technology? Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio. The turbocharged V6 engine. The Porsche Taycan is significant for being Porsche's first production vehicle to feature what type of powertrain? Hybrid powertrain, electric powertrain, or hydrogen powertrain? The Porsche Taycan has an electric powertrain. The Tesla Model S made waves in the automotive world for being one of the first electric cars to offer what? Over-the-air updates, autopilot capabilities, or a hatchback design? It offered autopilot capabilities. What is the defining feature of the Chevrolet Corvette C8, which sets it apart from previous models? The front engine layout, the mid-engine layout, or all-wheel drive? The defining feature of the Chevrolet Corvette C8 is its mid-engine layout. Which iconic British vehicle, known for its distinct shape, became synonymous with London and has been in production since 1959? The Ford Escort, the Mini Cooper, or the London Taxi? That would be the London Taxi. The Dodge Challenger is known for its retro styling. What engine option is particularly famous for its high horsepower? The Hemi V8, the EcoBoost V6, or the turbocharged i4? That would be the Hemi V8. The Ford Focus RS is celebrated for its performance in the hot hatch segment. What type of drive system does it feature? Front-wheel drive, rear-wheel drive, or all-wheel drive? It features all-wheel drive. The Aston Martin DB11 is celebrated for its performance. What unique engine configuration powers this luxury British Grand Tourer? The inline-4, the V6, or the V8? That would be the V8. The Bentley Bentayga is a luxury SUV known for its lavish interior. What type of powertrain is commonly offered? The diesel, the hybrid, or the gasoline on the Bentley Bentayga? That would be gasoline. The Chevrolet Camaro is an American muscle car known for its performance. What type of engine options does it offer? Electric, turbocharged and V8, or hybrid? The Chevrolet Camaro offers turbocharged and V8 options. The Dodge Charger is known for its powerful engines. What is the most powerful variant of this American muscle car called? The RT, the Scat Pack, or the Hellcat? The most powerful variant of the Dodge Charger is the Hellcat. Which luxury sports car from Jaguar, known for its dynamic design, features an aerodynamic shape and powerful performance? The F-Pace, the F-Type, or the XE? That would be the F-Type. The Porsche 911 is a legendary sports car. Which unique design feature helps it maintain stability at high speeds? The rear engine layout, the front-wheel drive, or the lightweight frame? It is the rear engine layout. The Chevrolet Silverado is one of America's best-selling trucks. What unique feature distinguishes the latest model from previous versions? The electric powertrain option, enhanced towing capacity, or new color options? The electric powertrain option distinguishes it from previous versions. The Tesla Model X features unique Falcon wing doors. What primary purpose do they serve in this innovative electric SUV? Aerodynamics, accessibility, or style? And that would be accessibility. Which iconic British sports car produced by Aston Martin gained fame for its role in the James Bond film franchise? The DB5, the Vantage, or the Lagonda? That would be the DB5. The Ford Explorer is known for its versatility. What distinguishes the latest model in terms of technology and features? All-wheel drive, advanced safety systems, or off-road capability? Advanced safety systems distinguishes it. The Tesla Model S, a groundbreaking electric sedan, is recognized for its impressive range and high-tech features. What is its range? Over 400 miles, over 300 miles, or over 500 miles? Its range is over 400 miles. What American muscle car, famous for its aggressive styling and V8 engine, has been a staple of the Chevrolet lineup since 1966? The Camaro, the Corvette, or the Impala? The Camaro is famous for its aggressive styling and V8 engine. Which British car is famous for its distinctive design and is often associated with luxury and speed? Produced by Jaguar. F-Pace, E-Type, or I-Pace? And that's the E-Type. The British brand TVR is known for its light, powerful cars. Which model represents its racing legacy? The Griffith, the Elise, or the E-Type? The Griffith represents the racing legacy. The all-electric EQS is a flagship luxury sedan from which German automaker, known for cutting-edge technology? The BMW, the Audi, or the Mercedes-Benz? And that is the Mercedes-Benz. And question 100. Which luxury SUV is produced by Bentley, known for its exquisite craftsmanship and powerful performance? The Bentayga, the Urus, or the Cayenne? And the luxury SUV is the Bentayga. And that's it. Thanks for playing Quiz Time. Drop your score in the comments, please. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on Quiz Time when it comes out. And it often comes out. We'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.